Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to remove the tail light assembly in Nissan Sentra, and we will also show you how to replace the tail light bulb and the turn signal bulb as well. There are 3 clips that I will remove. Now I'm going to pull this off, and we'll see 2 nuts here. There's one and there's the second one. We'll have to unscrew them to remove the light. I will use 10mm long socket. Now I'm going to disconnect this electrical connector. It supplies the power to our light. Simply press the tab right here in the middle and pull it out. And I will push this grommet inside the opening to give us some room when we remove the light. Now I will try to pull it off using my hands. You have to pull it away from the vehicle. I will use scotch tape to attach it to the surface of the light to create this type of handle. So it will be attached right here and inside. And I will use multiple layers to make sure that it is strong. This is approximately the result of our work. Our handle here, and what I'll try to do, guys, I will just pull it towards myself and the light will come out. So like we mentioned, this method works, otherwise it's very hard to remove this light. And the electrical connector will go through this opening, and this is our light, guys. And I will remove all the tape that we attached. There may be a little bit of residue left, but you can clean it off with alcohol. Right here we have the slider or opening where this guide will go. Right here we have 2 openings for these 2 pins, and on the light, guys, we have 2 studs. This is where we removed our nuts, and 2 openings right here and right here, I believe. Yes. So again, when you remove the light, you have to pull it directly away from the vehicle. Right here we have the turn signal bulb. Turn it counterclockwise to remove. You should use a glove, clean glove, when you install new bulbs. This way you won't introduce any oils on the surface. This one is WY21W, the size of this bulb. Install the new one into the socket and then reinstall it back in place. Turn clockwise. The stop light bulb is a bit different. It's been secured with this stopper or a bump right here, so you may or may not be able to pull it out manually. I can do it now, but it's quite tight, so you guys might want to use these cobra pliers to carefully turn it this way, and then you'll be able to pull it out. Again, we will simply pull it out from the socket, and this is, guys, the type of this bulb. Insert the new one and put it back into the opening. Snaps back in place. Now I'm going to reinstall the light assembly. First of all, the electrical connector will go in here. Now I'm going to push the grommet back inside. It's easier to do while the assembly is still off. Now I will align all the pins and guides. So it should be in this position, and then I will simply push it back inside. And as you can see, guys, now it's not coming out again. This is what we are trying to achieve, and now we will just secure it with the nuts on the other side. Now I can reinstall the electrical connector so that we don't forget about it. And the nuts. These studs, guys, they are connected with plastic, so do not over tighten these nuts. The torque was minimal when I was unscrewing it. This is enough. Now I will reinstall 3 clips. And also, guys, this may be loose, that's why you have to hide it inside the weather stripping. Approximately like this. This is our stop light and the turn signal. Both bulbs are working perfectly. Our bulb replacement and light assembly removal and installation is complete. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.